One of the basic Java interview question is list the features of Java programming language. This is considered as a basic question because every interviewer will first ask this question. So there are following features in Java programming language. First one is it is simple. Why it is simple? Because it is easy to learn, and even the syntax of Java is based on C++. This property makes easier to write the program in Java. Next feature is object oriented. So Java follows the object oriented paradigm, which allows to maintain the Java code as a combination of different type of objects. So since it is object oriented, the code in Java is a combination of different objects which incorporates both data and behavior. Next feature is Java is portable. It means that we can execute Java program on any machine. So Java supports read once, write anywhere approach. This approach means that you can run the Java code on any machine. Java program is saved as .java is converted to bytecode. Bytecode means .class, which can be easily used to run on every machine. So because of this bytecode conversion, it is easy to run the Java code on every machine. That's why it is called as portable. Next one is platform independent. Platform independent in the sense it does, like Java does not depend on operating system, and it is different from programming languages like C and C++, which needs a platform to be executed. So Java comes with its platform on which its code is executed. So it has its own platform on which Java code will be executed. So it is platform independent, unlike C and C++. This is the difference you can note down between C, C++ and Java. Next feature is secure. So why Java is called a secure programming language? Because first one is it does not use any explicit pointers. Like in C we use pointers, but here we don't use any pointer. Java also provides the concept of bytecode and exceptional handling, which makes it more secure. Because of these concepts, Java program is secured. Next feature is robust. So Java is a strong programming language because of its strong memory management. So what is there in Java so that it is called as strong memory management program? So the concepts like automatic garbage collection and exceptional handling makes it more robust, means more strong. So it is secure and even it is strong. And next one is architecture neutral. Java is considered as architecture neutral as it is not dependent on the architecture. In C, the size of data types may vary according to the architecture. Architecture means like 32-bit or 64-bit. The size of the data types also will change, which does not exist in Java. So the size of data types does not vary based on architecture. And next feature is interpreted. Java uses the just-in-time JIT interpreter along with the compiler for the program execution. Next one is high performance. High performance. Java is faster than other traditional interpreter programming languages. Because Java bytecode is close to native code, it is still a little bit slower than compiled language. Next one is multi-threaded. We can write Java programs that deal with many tasks at once. Like we can perform many tasks by writing a Java program. In single Java program, we can perform many tasks. That's why it is called multi. Multiple tasks can be performed at once by defining multiple threads. The main advantage of multi-threading is that it does not occupy memory for each thread. This is the advantage. It shares the common memory area. Like in Union in C. So it shares common memory area for multiple threads. Threads are important for multimedia, web applications, etc. So in case of any multimedia or web applications, we can use this multi-threaded concept. Next one is distributed. Why Java is a distributed in nature? Java is distributed because it facilitates users to create distributed applications in Java. RMI and EGAB are used for creating distributed applications. This feature of Java makes us able to access files by calling the methods from any machine on the internet. Since it is distributed in nature, we can access any file by calling it on the internet. Next one is dynamic. Java is a dynamic language. It supports dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are loaded on demand. It also supports functions from its native languages. So functions from native languages is also supported. C and C++, the native languages are. These are the features and the explanations of different features in Java. This is the basic interview question on Java. Please do like, share and subscribe.